Hey everybody, in this video we're going to cover how to do local SEO for beginners. For local SEO, if you don't know what that means, it's basically where you show up on the Google map when somebody's looking for you. This is the Google map. So somebody looks for a business, let's say for me, web designer, then yeah, my business is going to show up because I'm here, right? So this is in San Jose. You can see the little dots. That's those businesses in the area. So when you look at this and you're looking for, let's say, remodeling contractor near me or whatever company or service near you or in that city, it's going to base it on your location and it's going to pull the information of the businesses around you. So for local SEO for beginners, what is the most important thing? As they say in real estate, location, location, location. If you want to show up at a certain area, but you don't have a business location there, I mean, it's worth considering opening up a new office there. Why? Because you could show up in that surrounding area if your business is too far away. I've had this issue with clients in the past where they have great reviews, they're doing very well, but they want to reach an area that's 15-20 miles away from their actual business location. That's very difficult. 6-7 miles is doable depending on what type of category, what type of industry it's in. If it's very competitive, I mean, it's 4 or 5 miles. It's great if you can show up in that region or that area. But yeah, if it's like 10-15 miles away, yeah, it's better to look for subleasing or a building or office space that you can use there to open up a new location in that area. And it's definitely worth it if you're paying $400 or $500 for that monthly, and it could generate 20,000, 30,000. Totally worth it. All right, so yeah, so that's the main thing, where it's like where is your business gonna be located? That's, I get, the number one. Number two would be reviews. This is for beginners. More reviews you have is gonna help. Also reviews that have let's say that the person talks about your business, talks about the service that they use or the product that they bought. That's a lot better than just, oh, this was great, and leave a 5-star review, right? Because now Google sees that and reads that in the reviews that, okay, this person or this business is offering this service based on those reviews that they found. Yeah, here it doesn't. Okay. Sometimes it highlights them. It'll show them as bold when the reviews mention that keyword. All right, so next would be business name. That's another big one. Some businesses will put their, let's say, their service in their name, which is pretty common. But also for local SEO, yeah, it's very effective. So even if you don't do a lot of optimization, a lot of stuff, if you have your business service in the name that's showing up on Google, that really helps. So optimize, this would be a little bit harder. So you'd have to go through your profile and just make sure that you have the services that you're offering, the products, also that it's connected to your website. Why? Because it also pulls the information from your website. So let's say somebody's looking for a very specific service. If it's mentioned on your website, Google sees that, and then when people are searching for that, it'll say on the Google map, it'll say, oh, mention on the website, and they'll have the type of service. All right, so I think that's pretty much it for local SEO for beginners. These are very easy things that anybody can do. Once again, let's just recap. Location, where this physical location is, right? If you want to target a certain area, certain cities, make sure you have a business location in that area. Reviews, business name, have the service or the category of the business in the business name. Yeah, a lot of small businesses do have that already. Optimize your profile, add all the descriptions, hours, phone, website, yeah, and connect it to your website for what we were talking about. It pulls that information from your site. All right, so yeah, these are hope this helps, and these are the how to do local SEO for beginners.